Dude, look at this. Oh my god, that's freaking awesome. Alrighty guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. I'm trying to be quiet because everyone's sleeping. It's like 11:30 right now, so I'm trying to stay quiet. So I'm doing the intro in the bathroom right now. But today our video is gonna be with Orbeez. I know, again, but I'm gonna have mad Orbeez videos. It's got 4 bags full of Orbeez. So in today's video we're gonna do Orbeez versus the microwave. I just want to see what happens. So let's go see what happens. Like this, I don't know. Let's see. How about we just do one of each? Whatever. Alright, so we're just gonna do one of each in the microwave and let's see what happens. Alright, so we got about 5, probably about 10 in here. I don't know if y'all can see it well. Boom, right there. So, we're gonna open up this bad boy. It's 10:50 now, 11 o'clock, close enough. We're gonna put this bad boy right in the middle. And we'll see what happens. We're gonna put it on 1 minute. Oh shoot, they're popping. Dude, look at this. Oh my god, that's freaking awesome. Look at the mess though. Oh my god, that's freaking awesome. What the heck? I didn't think that was gonna happen. But I guess because it absorbs all the water plate right here, I'm just gonna do a few. As we seen in the last one, we seen what occurred. So I'll just do. I'm trying to do the littlest ones I can because I think that big one was the one. The big one was the one that popped. Look, here's a piece over here. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're just putting in for 30. Man, I hate cleaning this up. I just cleaned it up. Oh, shoot, look. Oh, it's hot. Look at this. Ready? Ooh. Can you see like it's steaming? What the heck? What? That's awesome. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean up this mess and I'll catch up with you guys in the next Orbeez video. So if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.